and welcome to Untitled YouTube channel. My name is Ruby and I will be showing you how to set up your Home Assistant server. Alright, let's get started. To begin with, we will need a computer. For example, a Windows PC, Linux, or a Mac, Raspberry Pi, SD card, power supply. Let's head to our laptop to continue. We need to get Etcher. This utility will be used to download and install Home Assistant on your SD card. You can easily get it by launching your preferred web browser, for example Google Chrome, and typing www.balena.io/Etcher, then click the download button. Open the download folder. Launch the Etcher installer and follow the prompts as shown. Great! We will head now to the Home Assistant website using our web browser. Go to home-assistant.io. Click on Getting Started. Click Installation. And then Raspberry Pi. Now, scroll down until you see the URL section and copy the link appropriate for your Raspberry Pi and paste it into Etcher. Once the URL is copied, go in Etcher to the option Flash from URL, right-click, and paste the link. Then click OK. It may take a few seconds to get to the next step, where it will now highlight the Select Target icon. Please plug the SD card into your computer. Click Select Target. You should now see this card listed. Please tick the box and then click Select as shown. And finally click the Flash button to install Home Assistant on the SD card. You may get a pop-up asking for access to the Windows command processor. Please click Yes. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few minutes. Once completed, please do not unplug the SD card. We will now go ahead and set up Wi-Fi. You can skip this step if your Raspberry Pi will be connected through an Ethernet cable directly to the Wi-Fi router. Otherwise, to do this, we will launch the File Explorer, head to this PC, then look for this card named HasOS Boot. Here, right-click and create a new folder with the name CONFIG, all in uppercase letters. Double-click to enter the config folder and then right-click to create a new folder with the name Network, all in lowercase, and push Enter. Double-click to enter the network folder, then right-click and create a new text file with the name My-Network, all in lowercase. Next, we need to remove the file extension from the text file. To do so, click on the three dots, Options, head to the View tab, and then untick the option Hide extensions for known file types. And click OK. Now we will click on the file and remove the .txt at the end. You may get a warning. Go ahead and click Yes. Right-click the file and click Open With, then select Notepad. Perfect! We are almost done. This is where we will write our Wi-Fi credentials so the Raspberry Pi will connect to the Wi-Fi network. You can pause the video and type it, or find it in the description below. Now we will need to write the following into the text document. Replace the Wi-Fi SSID with the name of your network and remove the brackets. If your network is hidden, uncommit this line as shown. Then, replace the password with your credentials, the same way as you did before. Great! Now save the file and eject the SD card. You can now plug it into the Raspberry Pi. Now plug to the wall your Raspberry Pi and place it where you want. You can now install the Android or iOS app to your phone going to the App Store and searching Home Assistant. Okay, let's finish the initial setup. If everything went well, you should now have Home Assistant installed. We can type now on our laptop, phone, or tablet web browser, homeassistant.local. You will see the following screen. We will wait now a few minutes until the system starts. Then set up your user and regional settings. Great, you can now give yourself a tap in the back as we have completed the setup of our Home Assistant server. Check out our other videos on how to set up and install your Intelka devices linked in the description. On behalf of Intelka, I wish you have a great day, and until next time.